How to create a new spreadsheet in Google Sheets. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to create a new spreadsheet in Google Sheet. For that case, you have to first of all open up your browser, or you can also use an application. Either way, the procedure is going to remain the same. So right on this page, open up a browser, and when you open up a browser, on the web address bar, go ahead and type in docs.google.com/spreadsheet. I'm going to leave the link on my description box below as well. After you do that, it's going to lock you, and right on this page you can go ahead and create your new spreadsheet. When you press on the insert button, then you can see this option as sheet. You can also go ahead and press the shortcut that is shift plus F11. If you press on it, and here you can see the new sheet has been created, and now you can go ahead and enter in your data and all that, and that's basically how you can create your spreadsheet. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.